Hey everyone, Technomentary here. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix black screen of death on your iPhone 13 Pro, 13 Pro Max, 13 mini as well by following these troubleshooting steps. So let's get started. Now, very first thing and really important is that you know for sure your phone is charging. Sometimes you may think the phone is charging with their charging cable, but the charging cable may be defective. So when you're charging, try a different charger. Sometimes it could be the cable that's broken, sometimes even the wall adapter as well. So it's important that you try a different cable. Along with that is you want to make sure that the charge port itself here is clean. There's no dust, lint, dirt buildup. Sometimes it can prevent the connections from actually charging. So when you think it's charging, it's actually not charging. And if you have a case or anything in the way that could be blocking it, you want to remove that as well. Now, if you have a wireless charger, even better, you can try doing a wireless charging for at least half hour or longer just to make sure it is actually charged, and try both method of charging. But first thing is making sure it actually has charge. Now, once you know for sure it has charge, the next thing you're going to go ahead and follow is this method which follows the sequence. You're going to quickly press and release volume up followed by volume down, and then hold down this side button until you can see something on the screen, which is going to be the Apple logo. So all I do is quickly press and release volume up, volume down, and then I hold down this side button in that sequence, and I'm going to wait until I can get the Apple logo to appear, and then I let go and we're back in business. This is basically just forcing it to restart itself. And if it doesn't work the very first time, keep on trying it as many times as you need to. Don't give up. Sometimes if you try once or twice, it doesn't work. It's actually because you may have not got the sequence right, which is again very quickly pressing and releasing volume up, volume down, and then holding down this side button. And you'll see here I'm doing it one more time. Again, this step is very safe. It doesn't delete any of your data. All it does is just force the phone to completely shut down and then restart itself by reloading the code. As long as the phone is charged, this method will work. And I hope this video was helpful, so please consider the like and subscribe button for more tips and tricks, and thanks for watching.